What are the key forces driving change in the retail sector? Learn about the latest trends to win in retail today. Competition in retail industry. Competition among retailers has never been tougher, and retailers need to build competitive advantage to survive. On one side, superstores are battling each other, while internet marketers are stealing customers from stores. Some consumers are using stores as showrooms where they can touch and feel the merchandise, and then making their purchases at lower cost online sites. Online selling at deep discounts is even making inroads into major consumer purchases such as jewelry. Use of predictive analysis. New technologies are being incorporated to better predict customer demand patterns. They help improve marketing and optimize product pricing and supply chain efficiencies. Retailers can use data they collect to customize their product selection to align with customer demands. Evolution of private brands. As retail chains expand and spread their operations, they are focusing on development of private brands. Private brand is the licensed brand of a retailer. These are exclusive and only available at outlets of a specific retailer. Marks & Spencer stores, for example, carry St. Michael brand. In India, West Side has emphasized private brands, while Shoppers Stop focuses more on manufacturer's brand or brands available across retail chains. The use of private brand enables retailers to maintain an image of exclusiveness and develop a loyal clientele. It also enables them to quote lower price, since retailers do not have to promote or spend heavily on advertisement of private brands whose circulation is limited. Exclusive products. Manufacturers are adapting their marketing strategies to the needs of modern retail. They often develop products exclusively for a specific retail chain. Many consumer durable companies in India, for example, sell customized washing machines and refrigerator sets through hypermarkets like Big Bazaar, etc. Expansion into emerging markets. Retailers in developed markets are dealing with home markets that are growing at a slower rate. And in order to achieve growth, these companies are expanding their base in new, emerging markets. Although large global retailers are making inroads into these markets, the companies that are best positioned to benefit are those that are already based in these markets. Many of these local retailers have been successful in expanding into neighboring emerging markets, becoming regional powerhouses. The most exciting stories in retail industry growth are in emerging nations, such as China, India, and Brazil. In China, many of the world's leading retail chains are rushing to open stores, and new malls have been developed at a rapid pace, even in remote cities. Multi-channel availability. The means by which consumers purchase products, services, or offerings have undergone vast changes during this decade. The consumer has adapted to multiple channels. They move easily across channels to search for products. Decide on the best product through discussions or reviews. Search for the best prices and promotions on the net. Finalize a store/web store and finally make a purchase. Retailers need to understand this need-changing behavior and enable themselves to service the customers through various channels, while presenting an integrated view of the business. Increasing trend of home delivery. Home delivery from brick-and-mortar retail locations is gaining acceptance. More and more customers are expecting the retailers to provide this service. Rise of e-commerce. E-commerce refers to buying and selling products over the internet. It is being widely used for purchasing goods from the convenience of home. Retailers need to be consistent across all channels. Consumers expect to receive the same benefits and service from a retailer, whether they make their purchase online or in-store. Rising impact of technology. A proper framework is needed to understand all the facets of operations and technology which need to be deployed to deliver on the expectations. With the advent of internet, retailers can create online stores that are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Customers can shop from the comfort of their own homes, searching for products and comparing prices of retailers around the world. The internet has increased both opportunities and competition within the retail industry. Increase in the use of mobile commerce. Mobile commerce refers to using a mobile phone or smartphone to conduct retail transactions. Mobile e-commerce is gaining acceptance for shopping. The popularity of social networking sites, such as Facebook and Twitter, is also having an impact on the retail industry. Recent trend is that consumers increasingly reach for their phones and tablets even while shopping in a physical store. It is anticipated that consumers will make more purchases via their mobile phone than their credit card in the coming years. Innovations in in-store technology. In-store technology can be the key to ensure physical retailers' sustainable growth. Rise of multi-channel retailing and ease of online shopping have led retailers to update their stores with technological conveniences like tablets, interactive panels, and digital signage. Customers want to enjoy the same advantages that they got used to when shopping online. Some retailers are expediting the checkout experience by allowing shoppers to use their mobile phones to instantly scan their items and pay at self-serve kiosks. Other retailers are adding kiosks that let consumers purchase products not available in-store and installing e-signs that allow for changing prices remotely. In-store technology can be an effective tool of competitive advantage for brick-and-mortar stores.